Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, April 3rd. We just got a couple economic news releases to go over today. We got the weekly jobless claims. So last week we had 310,000 people applying for unemployment, which is obviously a good number. It beat the forecast. Forecast for this week is going to be 320, and it came in a bit higher than what the expectations are. So remember, tomorrow's going to be a big day. Mostly, we got the Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics going to be releasing the jobs numbers, how many jobs are being created, unemployment rate, that type of thing will be out tomorrow. So those will be the main numbers that we'll be reviewing for this week will be tomorrow. We also got the trade deficit for the month of February. So the last back in January we had a negative 39.3. We figured it was going to trim down a little bit, 39.1, and it actually worsened to 42.3 billion. So not too good numbers right there, unfortunately. And then ISM 9 manufacturing, also called the ISM services industry. So instead of earlier we had the manufacturing, now we got the services industry for the month of March. So we had a 51.6 back in February. The forecast is supposed to increase to 53.3, and it came in right about expectation at 53.1. So some improvement there. So again, on this type of index, anything above 50 is considered expansion. So as you can see, being 53, it's not a lot of expansion, but it's still in the expansion territory. So, better. So at least we went upwards in this scenario. Let's go ahead and take a look at the headline news. Stock market's taking a bit of a break today, so you're seeing the stock market down in anticipation for the jobs numbers tomorrow. Also, there's comment the ECB, the European Central Bank, made their announcement. Basically, kept their policies the same. Investors were kind of pulling for, even though they gave some. They even indicated they said they discussed it. They considered the quantitative easing, but they have not yet went that direction yet. So investors were a little bit disappointed with that lack of announcement. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market, see what rates are doing today. So slight improvement today, not enough for really any interest rate improvement, but pricing wise it's slightly, you're talking about 7 basis points. So really kind of very moderate right now. So again, we'll probably be closing it up, but tomorrow will be the big day where it could go one way or the other in terms of where the market will be going, because we're waiting for jobs numbers. And the numbers we're getting now, they're looking at a little bit more closely, primarily because the last 2 months were more weather-related affection. Now we're at a point where the weather should not be a factor in this data. So that's why I kind of look at these a little bit more closely. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And again, tomorrow will be the big day. So stay tuned. Take care.